Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Jayla Dreams here. So you see by the headband I have on, Valentine's Day is coming up. So this segment, which will be day 3, special editions for Valentine's Day, and I love. All right. So I made some Valentine's Day bracelets. As you can see, I have some on my wrist, but these are going to be on my website. Oops. And I want to show you guys what I made so far. I just bring the whole little thingy over here. These are the ones that I made. It's all in the way, but it's cool. I made these. I'm going to be placing these on my site. All of these bracelets here will be on sale on the site www.JDSLUSU.com for $3. So all of these bracelets here that you see here, and we're going to make those together today. So make sure you guys have your string. This is the string that I use. And I also use, this is 1 mm and this is 0.8 mm. So I use these two, or yeah, I use these two. And then I used a little bead snipper, and I use some pony beads and some wood beads. Whatever beads that you will like to use to make your bracelets, you can. It's by choice. But I'm so ready. So I'm glad you guys came back to watch these videos with me. I appreciate every comment, every subscribe, every like. Thank you so much. And I'm so happy for more to come. And I'm trying to figure out what we should call ourselves. I said a boss of beads. The boss of the bossy beads. I don't know. I'll figure it out. All right. See you guys later. All right, you guys. So you see that I'm stringing the beads onto this elastic string, which is 0.8 mm. And I'm using some pony beads and some wood beads, or these little silver ball beads. And I got them from my local craft store. You can check your local craft store, or you can order them off Amazon. And we just going to get right into this video. And let me know for Valentine's Day, what kind of beads are you guys using, the colors, and what inspired you. Is it just because you love, and it's just that time, or you actually love Valentine's Day? So let me know in the comments. And as you can see, I'm not using a needle or anything. I'm just using the elastic string, and the holes on the beads are big enough so you can just put them straight through. And it just glide right through. It might take a little time, but take your time, be patient. You guys will get this. Y'all got this, all right? And you see here, I'm always recounting my beads. I always use like a good amount of beads, like from 21 to 22 beads. Sometimes 24. It depends on the size of the beads and the wrist size. Usually I might use my bead board, but most of the time I just count the beads. No more than 22, 23, or 24. It's a perfect size. So if you want more guidance, you can use your bead board to measure it. But I'm so used to doing it, I just keep recounting just to make sure I'm on the right track. So now here I'm just laying all the beads out. I'm going to recount them to make sure I have the amount of beads that I want on the elastic string. I snipped it with my little snippers. And now I'm going to tie it. And how I tie, just tie like you tie in a shoestring. And then you do the surgeon's knot. And then sometimes I do a little knot. You can't see it in this view. I bring it down. There I go. And I just retie it. And I usually leave like a couple of inches string. That just give me some more room just to snip. You don't want to make them too short. Alright, so now I'm just pulling out a lot of elastic string. I don't never cut my string off the little roll there. I like to just leave it there and just snip at the end once I get to that point to tying it. Right now I'm just placing out the beads off my beadboard and just counting them out. How many beads I'm going to use. Most likely it's going to be, like I said before, anywhere between 20 and 24 beads. And I'm just getting ready, and I'm about to get ready to bead them on. So I'm just putting the beads on the elastic string as I did before with the little silver balls. And I'm not using a needle like I said before, just putting it straight through. The holes are big enough. Just take your time and be patient. And I think one of the reasons I try to do different things for different themes. So, you got Valentine's Day theme, Black History Month, and then you have St. Patrick's and 4th of July. You have so many different themes that you can make your bracelets with the different colors and styles. Just be creative, be you, be unique. That's all it takes. Just be yourself. Now we got all the beads on the string, and now I'm just gonna tie it like I did before. You just wanna make sure you tie your bracelets, your strings, a secure knot, okay? You don't want it to be sliding off and anything like that. Just make sure you have a secure knot on that bracelet. All right, snip, snip, there you go. And we are going to move on to the next bracelet, you guys. And I just take out a lot of elastic string, and I'm showing you from a different view this time. And I'm actually going to use a needle this time. It's a smaller needle, but they have so many different kinds, and I wanted to do this method as well to show you guys. You can use a longer needle, but I use a shorter one. It just works best for me, whatever your preference is. And I just hold it in my hand and string them all on there, and as you can see, it goes on very smooth, and then I'm just going to slide them down. As you can see, I'm a little bit quicker with the needle because I can just put them all on there and then just slide them down. But look at that color, that red heart with those little white pony beads. Ain't that so cute? It's so cute. And I love when I can make bracelets because I make so many for myself, but I love making them for other people as well. But I'm just continue putting the beads on the needle and pushing them down. And then now I'm gonna, pull the needle off, measure everything, cut my string. I'm counting the beads to make sure I have enough beads on there as my eye desire. So it's your preference how many beads you want to put on your string. And now I'm tying, and now I'm gonna snip. You guys, I know you noticed something that I love, love, love. If you don't know, but one of my favorite artists of all time is Aaliyah. May God bless her and may her rest in heaven and paradise. We need a resolution. We need a resolution. That was my song, and One in a Million, and so many more. So, I had to pay homage to your baby girl. But now I'm doing the pink and a white beads. And that is so cute. They like a clear. And some of those little heart beads, they was like so out of stock in so many different places. So make sure you check your local craft store, or you can order them off of Amazon or even Temu. But those beads are so gorgeous, ain't they? So we just gonna vibe, catch a vibe. It's a vibe all the time. I love that song by Christian Rock. But anyway, we're gonna rock out to this music. Continue creating these beautiful bracelets for the lovers, the Valentine themes. And you guys, y'all got this. Take your time. Be creative. You got it. Alright, so now on these bracelets, I have these white pearl beads. They are 10 mm. I had got these from Hobby Lobby. Make sure you guys should check your local crafts, or you can order them offline. But I love those beads. They are the perfect size. And I'm just going to make a couple of them with the 3 little cute little hearts. Alright. So you guys, we almost there. Keep taking your time, vibing to this music, making those beautiful creations. We got this, all right? You guys got this. I would love to see what you guys have created. Let me know you guys' color schemes. Give me a couple of fun facts about Valentine's Day, or if you're making Valentine bracelets, or if you're just making bracelets in general. Give me some fun facts about you guys. Like, what do you guys start with? The color themes, or, how do you come up with you guys' ideas, like, for your bracelets? All right? Leave them down below. And I'm just continuing the same process. I'm always counting my beads because I'm not using my bead board, but I always love to recount to make sure I have enough beads on this elastic string to make the perfect fit for the wrist, the flick of the wrist. Okay. All right. So I'm just going to continue stringing them on, and then I'm going to measure my string, and then I'm going to tie. Make sure you have a secure knot, and do the surgeon's knot, and add a little glue if you want, just so it can be secure. And then you're going to snip and move on to the next creation. All right. And just remember, you guys, it's always like best to look at different ideas or get inspired by other people and their creativity. That would help you look at, like, let's see what is going to be my next bracelet design. It's not stealing or anything like that, but it's just to boost your creativity, to think outside the box or do something different, different and better and bigger. Just think of it like that. That's kind of how I get my ideas for my bracelets and my bangles and my charm bracelets and beaded bracelets. I like to look at different creators and different bracelet makers, jewelry makers, just to give me an idea, like, okay, that's pretty cool. Well, let's see it this way or try something different. Just an inspiration. Thank you guys for hanging out with me today. These are the beautiful bracelets that we made. They will be available on the site. All right. Happy Valentine's Day. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. See you soon.